Hi friends, welcome back to my channel, and technically welcome back to another video because I just finished filming a little review for y'all and I realized my mic wasn't working, so I had to film it again, but no worries, I am more than happy to do so. Today we are reviewing the brand new Jello Mello lip balms from SHEGLAM. I was getting ready and I went and checked my mail because my phone told me something was delivered, and when I went to check, I was like, oh, what is this? And when I opened it, I saw that SHEGLAM sent me these new Mello Jello Nourishing lip balm. So I just wanted to show them to you guys, put them in action. But thanks to my microphone, this is not going to be like a raw first impressions. I'm sorry about that. Nothing I can do now, but let's get right into it because this is going to be a quick little review so you guys can decide if these are products that are worth your money, because we all know SHEGLAM isn't expensive and most of the products are always 10 out of 10. So with that said, grab your cafecito and let's jump right in. SHEGLAM Jello Mello Nourishing Lip Balms. Let me just tell you that these are already going to be my favorites. I'm keeping one here, one in my purse, and one downstairs in my bathroom. So these are supposed to be nourishing lip balms that hydrate your lips, nourish your lips, give you a natural finish. As you can see, I'm wearing one right now. It has amazing ingredients in it, and it's perfect for every day. If you want to just add a little touch of color to your lips and to nourish them at the same time, these are going to be it for you. It comes in 3 different shades. So we have here pink, topaz, garnet, and ruby. Let me tell you that these two are already my favorite, okay? Topaz and garnet, or sorry, ruby and garnet are beautiful, beautiful shades. So let's swatch them again. So let's go in with the shade ruby. First of all, okay, now you can't see it as much because I did swatch them already, but these have a beautiful paw print. I will try to insert clips from the video that I just filmed because now you can't really see it, but even then you can still see it a little bit. Now, as a dog lover myself, like, these are little details that I personally appreciate because I have fur babies and I love my fur babies. So as you can see, this formula glides really easily on the lips. It's very gentle. And my lips feel so hydrated, okay? Like, I can just see myself reapplying this over and over again. Anytime my lips need to be nourished, if they're feeling dry, cracked, this is going to be living in my purse and in my car. This is the shade Ruby, which is a really pretty, like a berry tone color. So if you like that natural color, that natural finish to your lips but healthier, this is going to be it. I'm going to take this one off and I'm going to show you guys pink topaz. This is going to be the lightest out of them all. As you can see, literally looks like a little jelly stick. Let's go in with that one. Now, mind you, my lips are already like tinted, but pink topaz is going to give you a little bit more of that pink undertone. Don't think of these as a lip oil or a lip gloss. This is literally like an OG lip balm, okay? Nothing too heavy on the lips, nothing too shiny. If you are a minimalist when it comes to your lip products, these are going to be your everyday go-to products. So this is pink topaz. Again, a little more pink, not as red, but mind you, my lips are already tinted, so yeah, this last one probably has to be my favorite one. This one is called Garnet, and this one is a little more red. So it leans red, like strawberry-ish colors, and these just, I like how they look on my skin tone. So let's go ahead and apply it. Also, these are very, very lightly scented. It has like a fruity scent, so it's not going to be anything overwhelming. These remind me so much of those jelly lip products that had the little flowers beside them. Do you know which ones I'm talking about? Super old school. That's what this is. There you have Garnet. This one has to be my favorite color out of all 3 because it just, I don't know, it looks so healthy. It's giving K-pop vibes, you know, how they have like the red in the center and it just like fades out. That's what I'm getting from these lip balms. So there you have it, you guys. This is a quick little review on the brand new SHEGLAM Jello Mello Mello Jello Nourishing Lip Balms. 3 stunning shades for everyday use that it's going to nourish your lips, give you a healthier lip color to your natural lips without being too glossy, without your hair getting all in your face. Just literally perfection. So there you have it. I hope you guys enjoyed today's quick little review. Shout out to SHEGLAM for working with me on these videos. They're always so much fun and I love trying out their brand and any new releases that they have. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. I love you all. Stay safe and I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah.